Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, one love, swift love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and I am here with an unboxing, but it's not really an unboxing because I already opened it, but I'm unboxing it for you guys. Again, I saved the box, so we're unboxing. Okay. I had signed up for this program called Influencer, and basically all you have to do is fill out surveys, and based on your surveys they kind of match you with what free products they're giving out for that month. So this month was for the curly girls. Okay, this is the box, and I got DevaCurl Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler. I have 4C hair, guys, so detangling is literally a nightmare.
So, inside the box, we get a little pamphlet. I'll just read you guys the whole card in my speaking voice. What is Wash Day Wonder? This silky, lightweight detangler will be your in-shower lifesaver. We need that, okay? Designed for super curly hair, Wash Day Wonder melts tangles away before cleansing. Detangling your curls has never been easier or less painful. So, cute. Dun, 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 dun. Here is the bottle, okay? And guys, this is a pretty big, bottle for a sample, a free sample. Usually when it's like curly stuff, they give you like a little packet that's like this big and then tell you to test it out on like this little section of hair and see how it goes. But this is pretty big, y'all. Like, I'm okay, Influencer and DevaCurl, I see y'all. Alright, I see y'all out here for the curly girls.
Let me see what some of these ingredients are.
It is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, so that's good. Okay, first, water, of course, glycerin, hydrogenated castor oil, alright, we just gonna skip that one. So I think that's enough for the ingredients. So, instrucciones, and I try to use the instructions because when you start trying to go rogue with new products, it's a hit or miss, and I'd rather, do what they tell me to do versus like, oh, I got this. I know, because I don't know anything about this. I couldn't even read the ingredients, so clearly I don't know anything. So let's see, what do I have to do? Okay, so I definitely can't just spray bottle and put this in. I'm gonna have to wet my hair. I hope this is like moisturizing for my hair, because my hair is dry in the Sahara, girl. It's dry in the Sahara. And I'm low-key excited to see if it really melts tangles away, because literally my hair tangles just anytime. Like, we could just be looking at water and it'd be like, okay, I'm gonna just tangle on you. And I'm just like, why? I am going to go wet my hair, and then I'm gonna try and see what this thing is about. Girl, I'm looking like Don King. Whew, Jesus.
Okay, so I have wet my hair. It's pretty wet. I
didn't even know my hair could do this.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
I've never been able to just run my fingers through my hair. Okay, now that I have it out the actual bottle, it definitely is not a strong smell, but like a flowery smell. It's very light. I don't know what I said before. Did I say it was heavy? It's not heavy, it's light, but it's just heavy because I have it out the bottle. Actually, no, it doesn't smell flowery. It smells like perfume. But I guess flowers can't be really. I don't know what I'm trying to say. It smells good, guys. Moral of the story, it smells good. What is this? This is great. They got the formula right. And you know what? Even though it looks like there's a lot of tangles and like I'm getting stuck, typically, well, I'm very tender-headed, so running my fingers through my hair with all this tangled mess, it wouldn't even be an option. It honestly wouldn't. But this is like making life so much easier. Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna get a little closer. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, what is this? They put crack in this. This is like hair crack. Oh my goodness. I am in love. Okay, guys, I'm in love. This is a game changer. DevaCurl, do you hear that? This is a game changer. 4C hair, we're all picky. We're all like, that doesn't work for my hair. That's for like 3C and below. This right here is, yes. I would recommend this. My hair just feels so soft. Never felt this soft.
And it definitely is a little easier to go through with my Denman brush. Like,
Detangling has never been this fast. Like, I'm pretty much detangled out. Like, I really could have finger detangled with this. And the best thing about it is, like, you know, sometimes you detangle and then it tangles right back. Like, literally, I'm telling you guys, as soon as my hair just sees the side of water, sees the side of anything, just breathes. Anytime my hair breathes, it just tangles right back up. Like, this is like a miracle. Okay, so I am going to wash my hair as regular. It said to wash it out with your cleanser and condition as regular. I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to let you guys know if I see a difference while I wash it or after. It said it had some essential oils in there that's supposed to make it shiny, so we'll see if it makes it shiny or not. But like, I think this is one for the books, guys. I really do. I really, really do. Alright, I'll be back, guys.
I am done washing my hair. I don't even know how to describe how great this product is. As far as like the feel of my hair, I think my hair feels pretty much the same. It just feels, it's just easier to manage, and you know, that's ultimately the goal. Like, I want to be able to manage my hair. If they could make a whole line around this and the slippage and all that, if this was a leave-in, take all my money, DevaCurl. Take all of my money, all of my cash. I don't have that much, but I will literally be there like,
I'ma make it rain, I'ma make it rain, I'ma make it rain,
Let me know if you've tried this Here Beauty. I don't even know if this is like out in stores, but if it is, like, I need everybody to run and go get this. So again, thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, definitely thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button below. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.